Now let's see how long this thing rotates for, huh? Using nothing but a nail, 2 big neodymium magnets and 2 small neodymium magnets on one nut. Forgot the millimeter of the nut. I don't think that really matters, but as you can tell, this thing it has a very, very long and high RPM. Just from blowing on it, it's still spinning. It looks like it's spinning just as fast as when I just blew on it 30 seconds ago. I'm not exactly sure how long this will go for. First time I've tested this little idea. It does not feel like there's really much resistive force at all keeping this thing from spinning, which is why it's still spinning these. Pretty different stuff, right? You thought the fidget spinner was cool. It's actually kind of messing with my phone. Oops, I better keep it further away. Spinning magnets create something known as an electromagnetic field at certain frequencies as it spins in revolutions. So this magnetism could easily... Oh, now it's finally slowing down. So 2 minutes. It's been spinning that long, and if I give it another little wind... Now it's really going. Oh, it fell off. But the stronger the magnet, the longer it spins for. So get ready for the next fidget spinner to be put in action, guys. Peace.